They said we couldn't, but we knew we could. Claimed we wouldn't, but it was certain we would. Convinced us we shouldn't, knowing very well we should. Against all odds we fought, tooth and nail to bring hope to a world that only knew despair. We fought for our place in this world, for our place among the stars. We fought against stigma and discrimination, demystified the enigma that was HIV and AIDS, cleared the thick mud of stereotypes and falsities. We knew we should act, and so we did in ways they never knew we could, spreading the message from the family to the community, bedroom to the boardroom, a message of accountability and leadership, global solidarity and shared responsibility. And we are still fighting to get to zero. We are still fighting with the hope that we will finally equalize and balance the scales. We are still fighting for our survival, committed to end inequality. We are still fighting for what we believe in. We are still fighting for a world full of hope.